Theta value equivalent to 18.8538 rands a coin. The present cost range, 18.4025, 19.2138. The earlier day close, 18.6474. The change was plus 0.2064. Plus 1.11%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost 19.32 rands. High 20.67. Low 17.97. Theta conjecture on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost 20.72 rands. High 22.17. Low 19.27. Theta cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17. Cost 20.36 rands. High 21.79. Low 18.93. Theta estimate on Monday. Walk 20. Cost 21.27 rands. High 22.76. Low 19.78. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost 19.97 rands. High 21.37. Low 18.57. Theta estimate on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost 19.06 rands. High 20.39. Low 17.73. Theta cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost 18.75 rands. High 20.06. Low 17.44. Theta estimate on Friday. Walk 24. Cost 19.37 rands. High 20.73. Low 18.01. Theta cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27. Cost 18.57 rands. High 19.87. Low 17.27. In about 14 days Theta estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost 17.80 rands. High 19.05. Low 16.55. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost 16.22 rands. High 17.36. Low 15.08. Theta estimate on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost 16.03 rands. High 17.15. Low 14.91. Theta cost forecast on Friday. Walk 31. Cost 16.95 rands. High 18.14. Low 15.76. Theta estimate on Monday, April 3. Cost 16.23 rands. High 17.37. Low 15.09. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4. Cost 15.73 rands. High 16.83. Low 14.63. Theta estimate on Wednesday, April 5. Cost 15.87 rands. High 16.98. Low 14.76. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 6. Cost 16.27 rands. High 17.41. Low 15.13. Theta estimate on Friday, April 7. Cost 15.98 rands. High 17.10. Low 14.86. Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 10. Cost 16.41 rands. High 17.56. Low 15.26. In about a month Theta estimate on Tuesday, April 11. Cost 15.82 rands. High 16.93. Low 14.71. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12. Cost 15.16 rands. High 16.22. Low 14.10. Theta estimate on Thursday, April 13. Cost 16.22 rands. High 17.36. Low 15.08. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 20.63 rands, exorbitant cost 22.76, while low cost 14.91. Found the middle value of cost 18.81, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.95, change for spring 17.8%, Theta gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 16.95 rands, exorbitant cost 17.56, while low cost 14.10. Found the middle value of cost 16.01, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.41. Change for April 9.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 15.41 rands. Excessive cost 19.00. While low cost 15.41. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.90. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17.76. Change for May 15.2%. Theta conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 17.76 rands, excessive cost 22.04. While low cost 17.76, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.54, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20.60, change for June 16.0%, Theta cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 20.60 rands, excessive cost 20.60, while low cost 16.09, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.65, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.30. Change for July 16.0%. Theta conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 17.30 rands, excessive cost 17.30, while low cost 13.51, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.66. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.53. Change for August 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 14.53 rands, excessive cost 17.03, while low cost 14.53. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.50. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.92. Change for September 9.6%. Theta conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 15.92 rands, excessive cost 16.77, while low cost 14.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.73. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.67. Change for October 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 15.67 rands, exorbitant cost 15.67, while low cost 13.00. The found the middle value of cost 14.58. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.98. Change for November 10.8%. Theta estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 13.98 rands, exorbitant cost 17.06, while low cost 13.98. The found the middle value of cost 15.24. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.94. Change for December 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 15.94 rands, exorbitant cost 15.94, while low cost 13.80. The found the middle value of cost 15.13. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.84. Change for January 6.9%. Theta estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 14.84 rands, exorbitant cost 14.84, while low cost 11.60. The found the middle value of cost 13.44. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.47. Change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 12.47 rands, exorbitant cost 12.4.